Accidents happen, but with proper care, you can keep your devices in top shape and avoid costly repairs. Here are 6 essential tips and tricks to protect your devices. Tip 1. Use a high-quality screen protector. Your phone's screen is one of its most vulnerable components. A tempered glass or hydrogel protector absorbs impact and prevents scratches, cracks, and smudges. It's an inexpensive way to avoid a costly screen replacement. Tip 2. Invest in a durable phone case. A good case doesn't just look nice, it protects your phone from drops, bumps, and scratches. Opt for cases with shock absorption technology, especially if you use your device on the go or in active environments. Tip 3. Avoid overcharging your device. Leaving your phone plugged in after it reaches 100% can degrade the battery over time. Use chargers with overcharge protection and unplug your device when fully charged. Maintaining your battery health prolongs your phone's lifespan and saves you from expensive replacements. Tip 4. Clean your devices regularly. Dust and dirt can accumulate on screens, in charging ports, and around buttons. Use a soft, lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol to clean the screen and disinfect it. For charging ports, gently use a soft brush or compressed air to remove debris that could interfere with charging. Tip 5. Keep your devices away from liquids. Water damage is one of the most common and costly issues for smartphones. Even water-resistant devices aren't fully immune. Use water-resistant cases if you're around liquids often, and never place your device near open drinks or in humid environments like the bathroom while showering. Tip 6. Back up your data regularly. No device is immune to malfunctions or accidents, and losing your important files can be devastating. Use cloud storage solutions like Google Drive or iCloud, and keep an external hard drive or flash drive as a backup for your most valuable files. With regular backups, you can avoid unnecessary stress. Following these tips can save you time, money, and stress. But if your device needs professional care, we're here to help. For expert repairs and advice, call LML Repair today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks from LML Repair.